Okay. That was...
So we do get a little burst of RF out of it, and I can send.
Well, I'm working on the Kenwood TS130S.
So it's still that 11 volts.
Got it pretty much taken apart.
Pull that sucker out. There's a lot of stuff to come out, and then I can't test it once it's out. So I gotta just go blindly. Oh well. Anyhow. I think it will work once I get whatever it is fixed.
Alright. The next one. Okay, where are you here? Gotta get, oh, no, I don't want to see that again. Let's go to the end. Stop. Oh. Hold on. Well, as you can see, he took it apart pretty far by these next photos.
So, here we go. It's works good on receive. I think everything's the IF shift works on it.
So that must work.
Volume, RF gain. The calibrator.
Yep. Alright, here we go with another one. Come on.
Well, all you have to do is push on this spot here. And it works.
Showing all the stuff he did there. Nope. Nope, we don't need a tail gunner. Hold on here. All kinds of funny things.
So, here we go. It's,
he really took this thing apart, as you can see. He took boards out. I mean, he just gutted this thing completely.
well, we got her working. A lot of surgery. 18 hours into this.
18 hours it took him. Got to transmit and receive. Go figure. Like I said, he can do this stuff. I can't. I mean, he goes through and I'm afraid to tear stuff apart like this. He does it all the time.
A lot of surgery.
Alright, let's go back. I don't know why this thing not really showing. I don't know why it's such a weird picture, but anyway. And now he's working on another project. He bought a bug at Hammond Hi-Fi that was made in 1918, so he's working on that now too. And of course, this is what I found, what I was taking apart. But anyhow, so let me stop there. And we'll get out of here. And I'll be back in a... Well, as you can see, let's see if this is going to work here. We're going to get too much glare. Alright, there we go. That's better. As you can see in those video clips, he really took that radio apart to get that Kenwood TS130S transceiver going, but it's going to be used by an old guy who's about 89 years old, and He's been a hand for years, and I met him just the other day myself. We went over there, and so he'll be going to a good home for a while, and I'm not selling it to him. I'm just, you know, loaning it to him for as long as he wants. So anyhow, and then the shotgun, well, I unraveled what I thought was a piece of twisted up paper towel. It's not paper towel, it's a twisted up rag. That was what was in there. And that thing got to be at least 50 years old. But it is not a paper towel, it's a rag that was inside there. And it smells like, basically like oil and rust. That's what it smells like. So that's what came out of the shotgun. Right now I have the shotgun out in the garage. I have PB Blaster in it. I've had it soaked. It's being soaked in there for the next couple of days so that I can see if I can unscrew the nipples out of that. But the barrels are pretty much shot anyway. They're, you know, they got rust scale and stuff like that on them. This will never be a firing shotgun at all. I'll just clean it up and make it look better. That's about it. But other than that, that's all that's going on here. I'm not working on anything else. It's been, yeah, it's kind of slow lately, and I don't really feel much like working on a lot of stuff. I'm just too tired most of the time. So actually most of my time has been spent raking leaves in the front yard, which tends to wear me out anyway. So, and Chubby's outside. Oh, power failure. And so we'll see you guys later before the power goes dead. Bye for now.